Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries. For today, light rain falling in Pergola Nurseries. We're out feeding hardy perennials, roses, hydrangeas to get the most from them this year. Now in this area, we have a gorgeous phlox called Laura. I put up a video after this one of this one in full flower last year. Now it's fantastic if you feed them, so it's important to keep them well fed. Now of course, fragrant phlox nicolata are wonderful. They come in a whole range of colours. There's a variety called Laura. It's I suppose deep pink to purple with a white eye. Behind here we have ASTILBE, and ASTILBEs are fantastic. The great year last year in the wet, they flowered for months. But if you don't feed your plants, particularly after all the rain we've been having, you won't have success with them. So Phlox Laura is going to get a couple of handfuls of flower max around like that there. With daylily here as well needs feeding, and a small Nymphofia, and of course our ASTILBEs will be fed. Now we'll feed them every 6 weeks from now with Flower Max. Flower Max will encourage the plants to produce lots and lots of flowers and brings out the intensity of the flower colour. So every 4 to 6 weeks from now, keep feeding all your plants to get the most from them this year. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.